Today's message for you: when you're on the right path, you receive blessings in ways that you couldn't imagine. This is universe's way of showing you that your efforts never go unnoticed and you're always taken care of. Don't get lost in the materialistic aspects, as your true light shines inside out just the way you are. Be confident in who you are and let go any obligation or fears to the old you. You're always becoming a new version of yourself when you choose to show up in a different way. Love yourself and let the universe shower you with blessings, gifts, and abundance as you lay back and simply allow. You are entering a new phase of your life. Truly, you're a new you. Know that all the power and answers reside within you, and when you work on unlock them, you'll become a magnet attracting miracles. God days, if you truly trusted the process, you wouldn't be feeling this anxious. You wouldn't be hurting the way you are right now. You wouldn't be dwelling on every little thing that tries to interfere with your inner peace. You have to train your mind to believe, at the core of your soul, that everything is going to turn out far better than you imagined. Don't make empty promises to the universe and expect to receive substantial blessings. Prove to the source of your existence that your trust is real. Know in your heart that all your dreams will manifest. Embrace the present instead of trying to rush your spirit into a chapter it's not truly ready for. There's so much growth that can be made in the moments you're trying to erase. Change the way you view these events and continue on as your best self. At the exact moment you feel like losing faith, the universe will send you a sign reminding you that it is forever working things out in your favor. Type, "This too shall pass," to affirm. Today's message for you: let go of what you think you should have gained and look at what you have achieved. People who attach their happiness to outcomes are never satisfied because they miss the beauty in the unfolding. Relax. Things are always working out for you. Learn to enjoy the flow. What is meant for you will never miss you, and what is sent to you is intended to teach and create the new you. When you focus on your progress, you inspire yourself to keep going after more. When life says hold, do just that. Trust that your delay does not mean denied. Don't be anxious. Get quiet and listen for what needs to be done before you get the go. Sometimes you are delayed because the area you have prepared for your blessings is not big enough. Don't let hold make you feel helpless. Get hopeful for a bigger harvest. God says, don't create a life based on what you didn't get. Don't stop loving because you were rejected. Don't stop giving because you're living in lack. Don't stop believing in victory because you haven't won yet. Would you stop climbing because you don't see the top? Remember, you don't need to see the summit to conquer the mountain. You just have to believe in happiness to climb one step at a time. Type 555 if you trust God. God says today, impatience is a form of fear and doubt. When you keep rushing to get results, life will keep giving you resistance. If you truly understand that what is yours will come to you in the right season, you will release your focus on the clock. Remain patient and trust in divine timing. When you think you are down to nothing, the universe is up to something. Stay patient and faithful. Type I am awareness to affirm. God is saying to you today, you cannot be heard if you don't speak. You cannot reap if you don't sow. You cannot heal if you don't face and fix your hurt. You cannot find peace if you don't get quiet. Whatever you are searching for in life, it is one action away. Speak, sow, fix, and get quiet, because life wants you to have what you lack. It won't get better unless you actively create better. Type Amen if you believe this. God message for you today. Let go of what you think you should have gained and look at what you have achieved. People who attach their happiness to outcomes are never satisfied because they miss the beauty in the unfolding. Relax. Things are always working out for you. Learn to enjoy the flow. What is meant for you will never miss you, and what is sent to you is intended to teach and create the new you. When you focus on your progress, you inspire yourself to keep going after more. Type yes to affirm this.